For Birmingham homeowners, the benefits of energy-efficient doors go far beyond just reducing energy bills. These advanced doors are designed to offer superior insulation, reduce noise, and, importantly, enhance both security and comfort. If you're considering upgrading your exterior or interior doors, here's how energy-efficient options can elevate the safety and comfort of your home while delivering long-term value. Enhanced security features for peace of mind. One of the standout features of energy-efficient doors is their ability to bolster home security. These doors are typically constructed using high-quality materials, such as reinforced steel, fiberglass, or solid wood cores, which make them more resistant to forced entry than traditional doors. The robust construction deters would-be intruders, offering you and your family an added layer of protection. Many energy-efficient doors come with state-of-the-art locking mechanisms, such as multi-point locking systems. Unlike standard locks, multi-point systems engage at several points along the door frame, making it significantly more difficult for anyone to tamper with the door. Impact-resistant glass options are also available for doors with windows, ensuring that you don't have to sacrifice security for style. In Birmingham, where security is a priority for homeowners, these added features offer valuable peace of mind. Minimizing drafts and maximizing comfort. Birmingham's varying weather, with hot summers and cool winters, can lead to uncomfortable temperature fluctuations in your home. Energy-efficient doors are designed to create a tight seal that reduces air leakage, preventing drafts and maintaining a consistent indoor temperature. With proper insulation and weather stripping, energy-efficient doors help keep the cold out during the winter months and the heat at bay during the summer. This enhanced temperature control makes your home more comfortable year-round. No more chilly drafts in the living room during the winter or sweltering air seeping in during the hottest days of summer. Reducing noise pollution. If your Birmingham home is situated near a busy street, construction site, or bustling neighborhood, you know how disruptive outside noise can be. Energy-efficient doors excel at noise reduction due to their thick, insulated cores and advanced seals. These features effectively block out much of the unwanted noise, creating a quieter, more tranquil indoor environment. The result? A more comfortable and relaxing home where you can work, rest, or entertain without being disturbed by outside sounds. Whether it's reducing traffic noise or muffling the sounds of neighbors, energy-efficient doors contribute significantly to your home's comfort. Lower energy bills and environmental impact. By minimizing air leakage and improving your home's insulation, energy-efficient doors reduce the amount of energy needed to heat or cool your home. This leads to lower utility bills, freeing up money for other expenses and investments. In Birmingham's diverse climate, energy savings can be substantial over time, making energy-efficient doors a cost-effective choice. In addition to saving money, reducing your energy consumption helps decrease your home's carbon footprint. If you're looking to live a more environmentally friendly lifestyle, upgrading to energy-efficient doors is a step in the right direction. Improved indoor air quality. Energy-efficient doors help keep unwanted outdoor elements, such as dust, pollen, and pollutants outside. Their tight seals prevent infiltration, which can be especially beneficial for Birmingham residents who suffer from allergies or respiratory issues. By keeping indoor air cleaner and free of outdoor irritants, these doors contribute to a healthier living environment. Durability and low maintenance. Energy-efficient doors are built with longevity and minimal upkeep in mind. Materials such as fiberglass and high-quality vinyl are resistant to warping, cracking, and rotting, even in Birmingham's humid conditions. This durability means less maintenance and fewer repairs over time, providing both security and convenience for homeowners. Additionally, many energy-efficient doors come with finishes that are resistant to fading and scratching, maintaining their appearance and protective qualities over the years. This means you can enjoy enhanced comfort and security without the hassle of frequent upkeep. Aesthetics and customization options. Energy-efficient doors don't just excel in performance. They also offer a wide range of customization options to match your home's style. Whether you prefer a sleek, modern design or a classic, traditional look, you can find energy-efficient doors that complement your aesthetic preferences. Many options come with decorative glass, custom hardware, and a variety of finishes, ensuring that you don't have to sacrifice style for functionality. Conclusion. Energy-efficient doors play a critical role in enhancing both the security and comfort of Birmingham homes. By offering superior insulation, reducing noise, boosting security, and delivering energy savings, these doors transform your living environment. For homeowners looking to improve their home's performance while enjoying greater peace of mind, energy-efficient doors are an excellent investment that delivers long-lasting benefits. Upgrade today and experience the difference in security, comfort, and savings for yourself.